and welcome to Opt for Organic. Hope all of you are safe and sound. Today we are going to make super delicious and nutritious seeds balls, or you can say energy balls. But before we start making, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. In this video, we are going to make energy balls or seeds balls which not only give you an instant energy boost but will provide all essential nutrients. They are calorie dense, but one seeds ball a day will fulfill your daily quota of vitamins and minerals. These super nutritious seeds balls will require pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, watermelon seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, and chironji, also known as charoli seeds. Other ingredients we will be requiring are almonds, black and brown raisins, jaggery, also known as gur, clarified butter or cow ghee, ginger powder and cinnamon powder. Let's start making. First, mix pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and watermelon seeds in equal portions, which should be around 2 cups in total. Take a non-stick pan and let it get warm. Add 2 cups of mixed seeds and dry roast them about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir continuously. Take out these seeds and let them cool down. Meanwhile, in the same pan, add 1/4 cup of each flax seeds and sesame seeds and dry roast them until fragrant. Take them out and let them also cool down. Add all these seeds into a mixture grinder along with 2 tablespoons charoli seeds, 10 to 12 almonds, 15 each brown and black raisins, and grind them into a coarse powder like this. I have divided them into 2 batches and one by one grind them. Now in the same pan, add 1/4 cup of clarified butter, also known as cow ghee, and let it get warm. Add 1/4 cup jaggery and let it melt. Once melted, add 1/2 teaspoon of each ginger powder and cinnamon powder and mix them well. Add the seeds powder along with 2 tablespoons chia seeds into this batter and stir continuously for 4 to 5 minutes. The final consistency should be something like this. Switch off the flame and let the mixture cool down a bit. Once it is sufficiently cooled down that you can hold it in your hands, grease your palms with coconut oil and take a fistful of this mixture and make small balls like this. our super nutritious energy balls or seeds balls are ready. Enjoy! You can refrigerate them for almost half an hour too to make them harder. I have provided a detailed description about the nutritional values and benefits of each ingredients used in these seeds balls in the description box below for you guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Make these super delicious seeds balls and let me know how you like them. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.